We're going to CVS and to Walmart to get some supplies for this science curriculum. I wish I can just purchase the entire curriculum kit online, but it's a little bit above what my budget is right now. Where's that list? She made a list of the things that we'll need to buy, so it's a big list, but some of them we already have in the house. We're gonna go ahead and go to CVS, Walmart to go look for some of them, especially this weekend because it is tax-free weekend here in Ohio. We want to get them and save money from not paying taxes. Here we are. We're at CVS and we're gonna go in.
Is there only one in there?
Yeah.
Well, it says that we might need two because it says it needs 9-volt batteries in 2 different experiments, and it recommends using a new one each time.
Oh, there's another one that. So you have two of them.
Yes, and then also a 1.5 volt battery, which is like AA minus something.
He wants us to get 2 of these.
Yeah.
For that same experiment?
No, 2 different experiments.
So 2 different experiments requires
one
of this.
Yes.
And then another experiment requires a 1.2.
No, 1.5.
1.5. So we're gonna be using 3 batteries.
Yes.
Thanks for reading up. I don't know if they're the same thing. I think they're the same thing. We were able to get Alka-Seltzer and acetone, but this acetone is the one for nail polish. I don't know if it's gonna work well for the experiment that
You can always see if
she's gonna be
you can
doing.
always see if Walmart has acetone on its own.
We got 3 items from CVS, which are Alka-Seltzer, Scotch tape, and 2 9-volt. We're at Walmart now. We are gonna go check out the rest of the other items. Oh, we need to get a ruler. I'm looking for washers. I don't even know what they're supposed to look like the packs.
Look them up.
I did. We found the washers. I'm actually helped to find them. See?
I actually found a medium-sized one here. See? So there's a huge one, a tiny one, and a medium-sized one.
No, do you know which one is saying we should use? Should we get a medium? Maybe a
try
medium.
Yeah.
Okay, just grab a medium since it is in the middle. We're gonna get the medium. We already have Mexican tape in the house.
Yeah.
We are back from shopping. Woo!
Yay.
We didn't get everything that we have on our list. But we got almost everything, right?
Yeah.
It was raining just a few minutes ago, but the rain has stopped. We're still in the car, but we're gonna come out and show you what we got. Okay. We went to CVS first. We got clear tape, 9-volt batteries.
Did you know that Justin is actually a Roman name?
What? Alka-Seltzer tablet.
Yes. I was surprised too.
Styrofoam cups.
Yeah.
Magnifying glass. compass protractor set, acetone, paper clips, 1.5 voltage batteries in this card, rubber bands, metric ruler, electrical tape, washers, balloons, and beakers. We have 3 of these.
And you actually, what do you think is more? What do you think is more fun, fishing or archery? I'm just curious. Oh no! Archery is a sport, not a.
That's the things that we got today. We weren't able to get the insulated copper wires. And I forgot some other things, yeah. But
we won't have to,
we were able to get, a good number of the items that we need. We want her to have these ready so that she can go ahead and do the experiments on her own whenever she's ready.
Thank you.